All right, so to continue on with Snaps Dental, what Miss Chiquita is going to do, and Miss Chiquita is our dental technician and probably one of the most skilled dental technicians I've ever worked with. She is going to get x-rays. We call x-rays radiographs. We get full mouth radiographs. Every one of our pets, our patients that undergoes a dental cleaning gets full mouth x-rays, full mouth radiographs. In our opinion, it is malpractice not to do so. So if you're having your pet's teeth cleaned, always ask your veterinarian, and ensure, and most of them do, say, are we doing x-rays? So what Miss Chiquita is doing is putting a x-ray sensor in Snap's mouth, and she's getting it in position so that she can then pick up the x-ray camera, and that's a little x-ray camera. It's called a Nomad, 6.6 pounds, pretty high-tech dude. And she is going to take this x-ray. Now, when we take x-rays of dogs' teeth, we have to use a complex procedure called bisecting angles. It's pretty tricky to get good pictures sometimes. As opposed to human teeth, you just put the film behind the tooth and take a picture. With animals, you can't do that because you can't get the film on the other side of the tooth to take the picture. So, there she is resetting her machine, moving her sensor to the next position to get x-rays. When we get all these x-rays and then she cleans the teeth, then it will be my job to examine each tooth to check for abnormalities. So we're monitoring all kinds of cool stuff on Snap. A lot of the clients that I talk to, and rightfully so, are apprehensive about general anesthesia in their pets. But I can tell you with no uncertainty that anesthesia is not the culprit. The culprit is no action. There is absolutely more risk to not clean a pet's teeth than there is in anesthesia. There's risk in everything in life, but it can be very well managed. We are very comfortable with what we do. We follow strict guidelines and standards. We have our monitoring equipment in place. We have trained support teams that do this. By taking care of a pet's teeth, we can add up to 4 years to their lifespan. We know from doing the dental procedures that we do that these pets often come to us a month later and their parents are telling us, I've got a different dog or I've got a different pet, because they feel so much better. So Miss Chiquita is directing Dallas where to put the software sensor. So the software knows where the sensor is, so when she takes the picture, it goes into the dental chart into the right place. The x-rays that are taken of a dog's teeth are vitally important. One has to remember that 2/3 of the tooth is under the gum line, that you can't even see that. So it is absolutely impossible to assess a tooth's health without good x-rays. They just have to be taken every time. So now Miss Chiquita, she's taken all the x-rays, the radiographs. She is going to take off her lead apron, get comfy, and sit down. And she is going to clean these teeth, and we're going to show you how that's done.